You will learn how to move files between folders in Google Drive. Let's just get right into it. So here I'll be using Google Chrome. As your browser opens, visit drive.google.com and log in if you are required to do so. You can see the web link here. Once you log in successfully, you'll be on the Home tab. Click on My Drive. This will give you access to the files and folders you have in your account. Get to the file you want to move to another folder that you have already created. Now look at this file named Godwin Tech Teams Service. I want to move it to a particular folder I have already created. So when you get to the file, click on the three dots by this side. On clicking on the three dots, you will see Organize. Alright, click on that. Then select Move. Wait for it to load. This will display some folders you have created on your account already. Okay, look at this one named YouTube Business. That's what I want to move to. So I'll click on it. Then it's either you click on this move button here or you click on this move button. And this file that was here have been moved to the new folder. Let's locate this folder and see if the file is really there. I'll look at it here. I'll double click on it. Then take a look here. That is the file we moved inside this folder. If this helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.